Special shout out to the CONCACAF team stepping up to the big table. USA, México, Canada, Haiti, Panama, Curaçao. The world thought we were sleeping, but the giants waking up now. Put some respect on the region. They never gave the black no respect, but look who step up to the global stage now. North to the Caribbean. Let's go. Check the lineup. Check the script we wrote. No more sleeping on the teams afloat. USA coming with the talent and